Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove laminating film or nylon from your certificate or document. In my previous video I talked about reasons why you should not add laminating film, and we have seen it from some students because of their ignorance, and some students because of the business center they went to. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can remove any laminating film from your certificate or document. As you all know, in this channel we make sure to give you what the top-notch guidance that helps students, everyone in their journey of studies. For our subscribers out there, we thank you for your support, and if you haven't subscribed or you are new to this our channel, I want you to take this moment of support to subscribe to our channel. Check out the videos, they will be so helpful to students, so you'll be opportune to get our school content, guides and updates. Subscribe to our channel and on the notification button. Some candidates, out of ignorance and also the greed of business centers that laminated for them, had already messed up their document. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can remove the laminating film. So you'll be needing some things, and you need the body, maybe a friend, you need your glove, your heat gun, maybe a hair dryer if you don't have heat gun, and also just have something that can burn the house. Step one, you cut the edge of the document, as in the nylon part. So you can see as I'm doing it, I'm cutting the edge. Step two, you grab your glove just to protect you, and your body, your friend that can help you. You use the dryer to apply it. You can also use a lighter, or you can use soldering iron, anything that just can bring out the heat. So you need to be careful. Apply it on the nylon, so you can see how it is removing. Keep applying the heat. You can see the stuff is removing, the laminating films is removing. So apply more heat, then you do it with care. You can see how it is removing. Yes, that was successful. Yeah, we did the first part. Repeat the same process in the other part. Apply some heat. Make sure you are careful. Yeah, almost done. Yeah, some of us might not have a dryer or something, or instrument that can bring out heat, but I think the most common one now is that can bring out it is the your iron, the iron you use to iron your clothes. So just cut the edge, you make use of the iron, but put it at low temperature so that it won't burn the book. Apply the heat on your document, on the paper, on the laminating film. You can see how it is moving. Apply some heat. It's also same process. It is same process like the other one, but this one be more easier because you are applying the heat directly. Yeah, we are going, just remain small. You also repeat the ironing process in the other parts. After the heating process, just remove the laminating film easily. Thank you guys for watching. Please, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also share to others. Thanks for watching.